Hi friends, welcome to Grow to Succeed. Today, I am going to talk about exam. I don't like exam, but exam likes me. This is a very common experience in everyone's life, right? Yes. So, dear friends, today I am going to share a very beautiful formula called exam. Yes, it is exam. So let's try to understand what this formula is going to teach us. EXAM. So let's try to understand. E stands for efforts. Now the question is, how much efforts are you investing to achieve results in your life? Is it average efforts, good efforts, extra efforts, or extraordinary efforts? Depending the amount of time, energy, and efforts you invest on yourself to achieve results in your life is the big question. If you invest extra efforts, you will get extra results. If you invest extraordinary efforts, then for sure you will achieve extraordinary results. Now, what is X? X stands for experience. Now, the question is, are you experiencing every single chapter that you study in a subject? Are you solving every single exercise that comes after every single chapter? Are you investing extra time? Are you experiencing extraordinarily by doing a lot of research, by teaching someone and then solving all the question papers? That's the question. If you are ready to invest extraordinary experience, if you are ready to experience extraordinarily, then I am sure you will achieve extraordinary results. A stands for attention. Now, where is your attention? Are you paying attention on your studies? Or are you paying attention on WhatsApp, YouTube, mobile games, Instagram, and so on? Dear friends, it's very important to pay attention maximum on your studies. The more attention you pay on your studies to understand every single aspect in the subject, and if you are able to solve every single thing which is part of the subject, then I am sure you will achieve extraordinary results. Now, what is M? M stands for methods. Now, remember, there are different techniques, different ways of studying, right? There are different ways of doing things in our life. Now, you have to find different ways to study. You have to apply different strategies, maybe memory techniques, or maybe any technique that is going to help you achieve fantastic results in your exams is super important. So, just to recall, E stands for efforts, X, experience, A for attention, and M for methods. So, dear friends, you have an option to just put efforts, experience, subject, then pay attention. If you want to achieve extraordinary results in your life, then you have to do things extraordinarily. Extraordinary efforts, extraordinary experience, extraordinary attention has to be paid at the right things, and finally you have to use extraordinary methods to achieve extraordinary results in your life. I hope this session was quite useful, and I am sure you will find a way to become extraordinary in your life and achieve extraordinary results in your life. So with this, I wish you all the very best for all the exams you face in your life. Thank you so much for joining with me, and you have a fantastic day ahead. Bye for now.